This is how I usually take talking head videos for my YouTube channel, and I know this looks bad. And what about now? I know it still looks bad, but I think this is a small improvement. And this is all thanks to DIY studio light which I make. So can you see that? So today in this video we are going to see just how I made this DIY studio light. So stay with me till the end of this video. So the list of materials that we will need are a flat bucket, and we call this bata, but I don't know what this is exactly said in English. Anyways, a 40 watt or higher LED bulb, and the bulb does not have to be the exact same type that I have used. You can use any available LED. Some warm LED strips, a bulb holder for the LED, and some aluminium reflectors. What I need to do next was to paste the aluminium foil on the bucket. And for that I used wood glue, mixed it with water to make it less viscous. After mixing it firmly with the water, I applied the glue to the all inside portion of the bucket with the help of a brush. A short question to you guys. I don't know whether you like me giving voiceover to these videos or you just like me keep my mouth shut. Do let me know in the comments. So after that was done, I took a small piece of aluminium foil from the roll and began pasting it to the bucket. I used a cloth to push the aluminium flush with the bucket. Then I added the small sections of aluminium one by one and used the same technique to properly paste the aluminium inside of the bucket. Then I started drilling a hole in the center of the bucket because I need to add bulb holder there. And this is how it looks after connecting that LED to that holder. Not so bad, isn't it? The light is bit bluish white, but I want a little warmer tone. So I purchased this 220 volt warm LED, but this one had a plastic case around it which was too stiff and difficult to put inside the box. So I decided to remove its casing completely and using the bare strips. And here are LEDs separated from the plastic housing. Then I used the hot glue gun to stick the LED strips into their place. And I am mostly pasting these strips near the bulb holder in the square or round pattern. Hope this will bring some warmer tone later with the big LED. Afterwards, I connected the wires to the pads. And the most important thing here to be considered is that this is mains AC, so if you don't have experience with electronics, stay away from this or you might get killed. I again used some hot glue at the connectors so I don't electrocute myself mistakenly while working on this. I also fixed the bulb holder permanently into its place and now it's all set. This LED runs at 220 volt DC, not AC, DC. So I made this full bridge rectifier myself, but you can purchase this with the LED itself as a kit at your nearest electrical shop. Don't risk your life for $1, go and get yourself a pre-built one. Add this to here and I can connect this to here and it should be done. So here is the small testing. This is warm light and here it goes the LED bulb. The bulb is mounted at facing the aluminium because we don't want bright light but the soft light, and the reflecting aluminium will give us just that. We want a stand where we can mount our LED bucket, so I ordered a light stand online and it was super cheap, like only $4 for this one. This is long, steady and has an aluminium build, so this is bang for the buck. This is all good, but this light stand does not have a ball joint, so I had to make this bracket so that I can tilt the lights. And this is how it is going to be mounted. Drilling the holes and screwing it in place.
And after this is done, I can attach it to the previously made mount with the light stand. And after tightening the bolt, it can hold itself and maintain that position. Now with this setup, I can easily adjust the height and tilt angle of the light. Now all that's left is adding a white cloth in front of it. I used the cloth from a white shirt, and for mounting it to the lights, I used some cloth clippers. The rounded edge of the light cover helps a lot here. And after all of this is finally complete and ready to use. I will be using this a lot in the coming videos. And for more useful videos, please subscribe this channel and like this video. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.